Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to sell a car in a large organization or market. First, prepare your vehicle meticulously. A thorough cleaning, both inside and out, creates an excellent first impression. Address any minor repairs or maintenance issues to ensure it's in top condition. Gather all essential documents, such as the service history and title, well in advance. A professional inspection can also build buyer confidence, potentially adding value to your sale. This preparation is crucial for a smooth transaction. Setting the correct price is vital for a successful sale. Begin by researching current market values for vehicles similar to yours, considering the make, model, and year. Factor in your car's specific condition, its mileage, and any unique features it possesses. While you should be ready to negotiate, always have a clear minimum price in mind. Sometimes, offering a small discount, perhaps 5%, can expedite the selling process, attracting more immediate interest from buyers. Effective marketing is key to finding the right buyer. Start by taking high-quality photographs of your car from multiple angles, showcasing its best features. Craft a detailed and honest description, highlighting its benefits and any recent upgrades. Utilize well-known online platforms and local classifieds to reach a broad audience. Don't forget to leverage your personal and professional networks. Sometimes the best buyers are found through word of mouth, leading to a quicker and more trusted sale. Finalizing the sale requires careful attention to detail. Always arrange test drives in safe, public locations with serious potential buyers. Ensure all necessary transfer paperwork is completed accurately and legally, protecting both you and the buyer. Crucially, confirm that you have received secure payment, such as a bank transfer or certified check, before handing over the keys and the vehicle's title. Finally, promptly notify the relevant authorities about the change in ownership to avoid any future liabilities.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.